At this point in the project, you should be well along in your research, have picked your ethical approach, and are compiling the paper. And so, what you're going to be doing this week is taking that information, which will be virtually the same as the paper you've done, and you're going to compile this into a video presentation that's going to be recorded on Teams. I've got some suggestions here and some helpful pointers to make your presentation go smoother. And so let's go ahead and start. The first thing we want to do is get ready for the technical setup. Our platform is going to be using Teams, so you're going to record your entire presentations using Microsoft Teams. Your delivery is once you're finished, you will export the recording into an MP4 file. Only one designated team member needs to handle the final upload. I will only grade the last upload there is. So if people get antsy and start uploading unfinished documents to the assignment, then the last one is the one I'm going to use. So make sure one person will upload the final presentation on that. Visibility. This is a group effort. Every presenter must be on camera and actively participating throughout the presentation. Phase two will be our on-air checklist, and really we'll look at this as a professional presence. Since you are representing a construction parts store, the goal is to look professional yet accessible. So our wardrobe, we want to wear business casual. Solid dark colors are preferred as they show up better on digital cameras. The set, background. Choose a clean, non-distracting space. I will show you a little bit how you can, on Teams, make a background that is not distracting, and we'll talk more about that at that point. Lighting. Position yourself so light is in front of you or on the side. Never have a bright window or lamp behind you, or you'll look like a silhouette. The camera angle. Keep your camera at eye level to maintain a natural in-person feel. You can do this by simply stacking books underneath your computer so the camera is at your eye level. Checking your audio and connection. Avoid headphones. Bulky headsets appear to make you look unapproachable. Silence. Ensure there is zero background noise. Treat your room like a professional boardroom. Tech check. Test your mic, camera, and Wi-Fi before the group meeting starts. Phase 3. Presentation best practices. To hit that 15-minute target and stay organized, follow this workflow. Have an architect. One member should lead the PowerPoint compilation and to ensure the ethical approach remains consistent throughout. The script. Every slide needs a dedicated script or specific talking points in the notes section. Time management. Assign a max time to each slide. It is much easier to trim a script now than it is to try to trim 5 minutes off a finished 20-minute video. The handoff. Assign specific slides to each member so everyone knows exactly when it is their turn to speak. Rehearsal. Practice your individual section solo first. Once everybody is confident, do a full group dress rehearsal with timing before hitting this record button. Some key reminders. Eye contact. Don't look at your own face on the screen. Look directly into the camera lens to connect with your audience. Mindset. Even though you're at home, act as if you're standing in the physical store's headquarters.